Those who have knowledge don't predict. Those who predict don't have knowledge. This was said in the 6th century by a Chinese scholar, Lao Tzu. As scholars, as practitioners, as businessmen, we seek a crystal ball which gives us some confidence in what is going to happen tomorrow. There are several ways to create models and predict what happens in the future. Typically, a model consists of an input, a system, and an output. For pure sciences, it is relatively straightforward because of a mathematical equation. For example, if you take a ball and hit it, it can calculate how far it would go and in which direction. Social sciences, it is a little bit different because of time. What I am interested in is understanding decision-making and consequences which are different from what was originally intended, the unintended consequences of decision-making. So let's look at this in a little bit more detail. Inputs are assumed to have rational significance, that people know what they are doing when they make decisions. Let's say inputs happen by happen chance, rational people, or any other manner. The system could be simple or complex. In most instances, in social sciences, it is a complex system with several factors in play. The outputs is what is of most interest because that is what gives policyholders, businessmen, academics some chance to look in their crystal ball and predict what is going to happen. So the unintended consequences are even more important in some instances because they influence all the energy which goes in the system. I can give you an example of a simple soccer game being played, and the direction of the ball in a pure science study would be linear, calculated by an equation. But in the social sciences, the size of the ball, the person kicking it, the position of the goal, and who is playing continuously changes. There is continuous feedback. So the unintended consequences of playing the game are extremely important and relevant. They say there are two types of forecasts, lucky and wrong. What we want to create is a visualized model where a simple model can look at probability of unintended consequences and how they will affect in decision making. Thank you.